I would say one of the biggest issues that people have right now trying to adopt blockchain technology, trying to understand cryptocurrencies, is really just their understanding of how to set it up. It's pretty intuitive for somebody that's been in the field for a while. But the biggest issue for new users is, where do I get started? Most apps don't usually target this market. They're not usually looking for the new adopters. When you create something that's a little more intuitive, when you create an application that caters to these people that are trying to learn how to use it, that are trying to understand it, ultimately by creating something a little more simple, you can get more people involved. The biggest issue is that if you don't get these people involved, then you're never going to have the adoption that you want, and you're never really going to grow the medium in the same way that you would like to. You have these new apps coming up like Discourse. Discourse is a social networking application. You have a messaging app, but all the while you also have an integrated multi-token wallet. If I can chat with my friends and then send them these tokens, if I can use this app to pay for things in store, if I can hire an Uber and then pay that Uber with my tokens, if I can use these tokens in any way, shape, or form that I want, then you have a much more powerful app. I say Discourse because right now Discourse has an integrated multi-token wallet with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum. It's not guaranteeing that they'll understand it, but at least they won't be afraid of it. They'll be able to use that, and they'll be able to tell people like, hey, I'm using cryptocurrencies now. And hopefully in the very near future, they'll be able to use those tokens to purchase a cup of coffee, to purchase some groceries when they go shopping. If they can start using them in that way, then we're creating something that is really applicable. And ultimately creating a currency that goes beyond the crypto world and is just a flat out currency that people can start using and interacting with on a daily basis.